How to get tinnitus relief in 10 easy ways. 1. Protect your ears from loud noises. Avoid exposure to loud noises or use earplugs if you are in a noisy environment. 2. Lower your stress level. Stress can aggravate tinnitus symptoms. Use relaxation techniques such as mindfulness or deep breathing or exercise regularly. 3. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep can help reduce tinnitus symptoms. 4. Avoid caffeine and alcohol. Caffeine and alcohol can reduce blood flow to the ears, which can worsen tinnitus. 5. Check your medications. Some medications have been known to cause tinnitus. Talk to your doctor about any medication you are taking. 6. Mask the sounds. White noise or other noise machines can help mask tinnitus and make it less noticeable. 7. Use hearing aids. Hearing aids can help people with hearing loss, which can contribute to tinnitus. 8. Avoid silence. Tinnitus can be more noticeable in a silent environment. Play music or turn on the television. 9. Manage your blood pressure. High blood pressure can worsen tinnitus, so it's important to manage it. 10. Seek counseling. Tinnitus can cause anxiety and depression. Speak with a counselor to help manage any emotional issues that may arise. Thank you for watching, and for more help to you deal with tinnitus, please click on the link in my bio. Please subscribe, like and click the notification bell for more interesting life-saving videos.